Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to integrate HubSpot with DocuSign. First, go ahead and log into your HubSpot account. Once inside the dashboard, click on this icon which is Marketplace and choose Apps. Now, search for DocuSign and select it. Once selected, just install the app. After that, log into your DocuSign account, then allow access for it. Just wait for it to load. And in here, you can see it under connected apps, so click on it. Once inside, you can first start on property mappings. Here you can map data from HubSpot to DocuSign or vice versa. Now go to feature discovery. Here you will see different features for this integration that you can use. For example, I'm gonna import a DocuSign envelope, so click on Start on Import. Now, select Objects from an app. Here, choose on DocuSign and click on Next. Now choose Envelope and Next. You can select a date for it by adding a filter. So just choose a filter type. Once done, you can now go ahead and begin your import. And that's just basically it. That's how you integrate HubSpot with DocuSign. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.